Here we go!
Nice. You're lucky.
Yeah, you're 10. Third header, here you go again. Get your done. Yes! Why are you on time? Shut up! All they tested at the same time!
A signal to warn of severe weather or other...
Yes!
Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary in any given location.
Oh!
Distances from the transmitter can result even though you are using a good quality receiver.
No way!
Warning alarm tones are
At
activated
the same time!
where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26.
Here's somebody's ER2
warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH 63 Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXG70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the new weather radio public warning system.
Alright, and we're done.
We now return to the regular broadcast.
For some reason, my zone guard was on time. Yes! They tested at the same time!
January 12, 2022. Today's high temperature was 75 degrees. The normal high is 71. The record high is 86 degrees, which was set in 2020. Today's low...
That was cool. Hot Melbourne doing the funny.
WWF69 and Fort Pierce.
They're doing the message. They've done this before. It's really nothing new, in my opinion.
This has been a test of the new weather radio public warning system. We now return to the regular broadcast program. The current time is